working on the cooling system, I will do the oil filter change in this. Okay, and then I loosened the filter now, so the rest of the oil is in the oil pan. And I loosened this drain plug, so I'm gonna... Oh, come on. It doesn't come out smoothly, so probably somebody over tightened it before. I'm gonna move my pan this way. There you go. Oil is draining. And then basically, while the oil is draining, I'll take care of this guy. Right there. New filter. And then one new O-ring. This O-ring goes right there on the bottom. This old one is pretty like squished, so O-ring, new filter. I'm gonna go underneath it. Check this out. Okay, so it's almost done draining all the way. And I'll be ready to put back the drain plug. This is all back, drain plug is back. Okay, we can put oil in this thing now. Yeah, this is what I use in my car when I get oil. Oh no, stupid wind. Go away. Damn it. It's alright. I don't have the funnel with me today, so I have to pour it like this. I'm not sure how much this engine takes, but I will put almost all of this. Actually, put like 4 quarts probably for now. Okay. Yeah, this is what the wind does to you. Let's wipe this down. Okay, after this I want to check here. Make sure it's all fine. The airbox is all back. And that's going to need a little more oil than 5 quarts. Because, I mean, right now it's at the maximum, but there's nothing in the oil filter housing. Okay. I'm gonna grab the keys and start this thing up. Just wanna make sure it's all good. Alright, cool.